Unfortunately, I didn't take a video or a photo of my husband's office prior to completely gutting it, but this is the beginning stages of turning his office into our first son, Cash's big boy bedroom. My husband is cleaning this couch because we've actually had this since living in the basement of his parents' house. It comes with a lot of memories and was quite nostalgic, a little bittersweet getting rid of it, to be honest. He cleaned it up really well and we sold it on Facebook Marketplace. Speaking of Facebook Marketplace, I found Cash's bed frame for his new big boy bed from that exact spot, resold and half the price. So why not? The mattress wasn't included, which I'm completely fine with and probably feel more comfortable buying a new one anyway, which we bought one from Sleep Country and it will just sit on the floor. Naturally, I wanted to paint an accent wall and we still had this beautiful greeny gray color from painting Cash's nursery. I love that color. I just don't think I'm ever going to be over it. And we did a little switcheroo of the light fixtures, added a fan light into our bedroom, and put our previous light into Cash's new room. Next up is this fun little DIY with these skateboards I got off Facebook Marketplace for $12, all 4 of them. I saw on Pinterest this really cool idea of making shelving units out of the skateboard itself, and Tristan had a great idea of using the trucks and wheels as handles for our dresser. I probably should have cleaned the wheels and trucks before installing them, but better late than never. And now we are officially done. I'm so excited and happy for him to see his big boy room. His reaction actually was adorable. I picked up a lot of these things over the last few months, so we didn't purchase them all at once. That's what I would recommend if you have a big project. Just keeping in mind these things well in advance so you can scout out Facebook Marketplace and save a little bit of money. But yeah, his nan, Cash's nan, my mother-in-law, made that wonderful quilt with all the Marvel characters. We do love Marvel. Little bias here. His first action figure was the Venom, and I just, yeah, that was influenced by me fully. And this cute little tent that he had gotten for, I think, his first birthday from one of my best friends, Tiffany. And of course, the dresser that we were just working on. If you have any questions at all, just feel free to leave them in the comments and I will get back to you.